So hey guys, I'm going to do a trade review on the 26th of February. Okay, as you can see right here, the chart looked a bit messy, but yeah, I was trading. I just took the trade and I took 2 trades this session. Okay, so right here initially I bought here using this gap. Okay, but you can see I was stop out. My stop loss was right below here. I was stop out 30 handle stop loss. Okay, so yeah, I only entered with one contract. Okay, so because price was here, I'll be really choppy, and then a displacement, yeah, we did get a displacement, but it just didn't work out. So be it. Okay, then we move up, we move up. Yeah, bring in. Yeah, looks a bit messy, but bear with me. Okay, so basically, what I was looking at. Okay, so see price move up, displays past the opening range gap of the current opening gap. Okay, so for this day we're trading a range. It was a hard read for me. Okay, but what I was seeing is you see 8:30 we just keep moving lower, which entice people to go and short already. Okay, and then we have the midnight opening range, okay, which is around here. This purple rectangle. Okay, so okay, you can see this purple rectangle. This is the midnight opening range. Okay, so what price did? Okay, so for this day you have 9 a.m. news and you have 10:30, I think 10:30 a.m. news. Okay, so opening range, open, move lower. Okay, but for this day, Dow opened a premium opening range gap. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. So Dow, you can see ES opened a premium opening range gap, open here, go lower, but Dow opened a discount gap. Okay, so that already show there's no market symmetry, it's going to be a high resistance. Okay, that's why I was really cautious. Yeah, but I'm also seeing for high price. Why higher price? Okay, right here. Okay, why I was seeing for higher price is because here. Drop down to 15 minutes. You can see clean highs here. Okay, so Wednesday initial London range move higher, then we have the clean highs, then we slide lower, then a big week just like that. Okay, and it touched a daily. Okay, right here you can see I was looking at here whether price want to touch it or not, but yeah, it did touch as well. Okay, now I want to take this off for a moment. Can you see price touch the daily rejection block? Okay, which is previous day closing price. I was seeing if price want to reach for it, and it did. So after it reached for it, I'm seeing whether how price react to it, and it was really sensitive to it. As you can see, that's why my buyers were bullish as well. And then also you can see if 8:30 a.m. been moving lower, then 9:30, 8:30 a.m. been moving lower, so we are inducing a lot of short positions to be established already. Okay, that's why it's a good target for me to go long. Okay, then I waited 9:30 a.m. really messy, no market symmetry, so I sit and wait. I waited. Okay, waited a fair value gap form. I use it to trade. Okay, right here you can see I long right here. Right here, it's around the 25% of it. Because I wasn't trusting it, but I long at there, assuming that it touched the opening range gap, a very sharp drop. Okay, I went long, and yeah, but it didn't work out. Stopped me out here, but you see the bodies staying above the opening range gap CE. So I decided to take a trade again. I decided to wait for 10 a.m. silver bullet. Okay, and you can see we eventually got up the opening gap, and during this time you can see ES was a cleaner ES has a cleaner move up. You can see here very big displacement up. Instead, Nasdaq was really close here, but ES had a big displacement up here, and then we didn't feel it. So to me, ES looking bullish. And then what I used to enter for this trade, I didn't use a fair value gap. So I traded here. As you can see, when it was a big, it just pushed down lower, touched the order block. Okay, so I traded based on this downward candle. I was submitting to a bullish price action. I was seeing for the algorithm to be in a buy program. Okay, so it was bullish. I go long here, went long here, and adding up, ES started moving higher. Dow is also moving higher. Okay, as you can see, Dow also displays up like that. And then we got above the first fair value gap. First fair value gap here. We are above it. Okay, we displaced above it, and we displaced up the 12 a.m. opening price of Wednesday, and we got above the opening range, midnight opening range. So because in my mind I was looking for higher price. Why? Okay, this is more clear in the ES. Okay, right here, sell sides taken on daily candle. I'm looking for price to enter this CV. That's it, which is this high, which is 6016, which you can see ES. When ES touched this point, I close my trade. Okay, because there's a very high chance for price to start retracing lower, and you will see it is retracing lower now. Okay, so right here I went long, and where my stop loss is? My stop loss is right below the 1 hour BC. Right here, my stop loss was right below this 1 hour discount BC. See, price has got above it, got below it, then gone above it. So it's a balanced price already. This 1 hour discount BC is balanced. Where I get it? Right here. 1 hour discount BC right here. It is already very balanced. Okay. So okay. So right here you can see I went long here, stop loss right below here, so it's really safe. So I went long right here at the new day opening gap as well. But I was only entering based on this order block. Okay, I was entering based on this order block. Then my stop loss was right around here. Okay, so it was around 26 ticks, 26 handle stop loss. And yeah, right here I took profits, the gap right here, profits right here. Okay, so now you can see price moving lower. It can continue moving lower. Okay, but that's why I took my profits. As to me now, how I look at it, price is trading in inside range. Okay, it's just trading in inside range. Okay, so right here, 60 handles. Okay, very good trade for me. It's really good trade. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, price was really very messy here, but as you can see, the balance price we did go below it. Then I was requiring immediate rebalance, immediate reaction, and it did react up. Okay, but you see, when price was in this range, I did feel a little uncomfortable, but I submitted a price action, then I go to a higher chart and see what is the context like. Look at the bodies staying above the 15 15 minute CB is also a 5 minute, it's also a 5 minute CB as well. Okay, it's around here. So price was just around it. Okay, look at the bodies staying above it, and then we went above it. Then I was requiring displacement, and we did displace, and I took my profit here, and that's it. That's it for the day. So yeah, now it's just right after the trade, I decided to just do the trade review, and for this trade, yeah, overall it's okay. Like, it's the first time I took 2 trades in one session, and yeah, I know what I was looking for. It wasn't revenge trading for me. So I lost $60 initially, then I reached another $60. Okay, so it was 1%, only 1%. Let's say if I lose both trade, it was only 1%, less than 1%, around $100 only. Okay, so yeah, that's why I decided, okay, I can take another trade. But if I've lost the 120, if I lost 1%, I wouldn't have considered taking the trade again. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for today's trade review. Overall, yeah, very good trade. So see you guys in the next one.